Hello everyone, welcome back. Are you ready to take your TikTok game to the next level? Today, I'll show you how to unlock the power of analytics on TikTok. Step 1. Switch to a business account. 1. Tap on your profile and go to Settings and Privacy. 2. Click on Account and select Switch to Business Account. Step 2. Set up your business account. 1. Follow the prompts to set up your business account. 2. Click Next and fill out the required information. Step 3. View your analytics. 1. Go back to your profile and select a video. 2. Tap on the three dots below the video to view its analytics. 3. You'll see detailed information about the video's performance, including views, likes, comments, and more. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to track your performance, identify areas for improvement, and create content that resonates with your audience. Thanks for watching.